Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Before accomplishing bookshelves, Taylor Reid's critically acclaimed novel Daisy Jones and the Six became first nabbed through Reese Witherspoon's manufacturing agency Hello Sunshine in 2018, consistent with Deadline. The widely praised ebook follows the upward push and fall of the fictional rock band, charting its release into superstardom and eventually dissolution. During this time, Amazon Studios reached out to creatively collaborate with Witherspoon's team, moreover green-lighting a 13-episode confined collection for its streaming platform. Deadline additionally said veteran writers Scott Neustadter and Michael H. Weber have been tapped to move the making of the model. While Pleasure hooked up over a Daisy Jones and Six TV collection, Unexpected Situations not on time its preliminary capturing agenda. While capturing has begun for the TV collection model, there is presently no launch date yet. However, seeing the manufacturing has lately resumed, a replacement will possibly made soon. As noted previously, the COVID-19 pandemic stalled capturing for approximately a year, and during this time little records became made to where approximately about the improvement agenda for Daisy Jones and the Six. However, over the summer, among the forged participants started sharing behind-the-scenes updates, approximately about their schooling for the film. Since the model has subsequently started filming, there's a wish that it can attain monitors through 2022. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. What is the plot of Daisy Jones and the Six? According to Oprah Daily, the TV model of Daisy Jones and the Six follows Daisy Jones as she tries to make a call for herself within the LA tune scene and inadvertently collides with the rock band The Six. During this time, lead singer Billy Dune, hoping to set up a rocky-heavy signature style, clashes with the aspirations of his manufacturers and Daisy herself. Along the way, band participants Eddie, Karen and Warren further investigate a fraud enterprise Panorama. This is as they try to stability their goals with their expert tune goals. As Billy rises within the tuning scene, his associate Camila struggles together. This is along with his lengthy up scenes, preventing her to claim her personhood. Like the shape of the unique novel, the display will comply with a documentary style layout. This is so that it will encompass first character interviews with the extensive internet. Moreover, each character is inside out of the doors of mythical band. Excitingly, the confined collection may also contain the tune lyrics from the ebook. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.